Certainly. APIs are utilized across numerous industries and applications to enable seamless integration, data exchange, and the creation of innovative services. Here are some real-world examples. 1. Social media platforms. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram provide APIs that allow developers to integrate their applications with these platforms. These APIs enable functionalities such as retrieving user profiles, posting content, accessing social graphs, and interacting with social media data. 2. Payment gateways. Payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Braintree offer APIs that enable businesses to accept online payments securely. These APIs provide functionalities to process transactions, manage customer information, and handle payment-related tasks. 3. Mapping and geolocation services. Mapping and geolocation services like Google Maps, MapQuest, and OpenStreetMap provide APIs for developers to embed maps, geocoding, and routing functionalities into their applications. These APIs enable location-based services, geospatial data analysis, and navigation features. 4. Weather data. Weather forecasting companies such as OpenWeatherMap and AccuWeather offer APIs that provide access to real-time and historical weather data. These APIs enable developers to integrate weather information into applications, websites, and IoT devices. 5. E-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon Marketplace provide APIs that allow businesses to connect their online stores with these platforms. These APIs enable functionalities such as product catalog management, order processing, inventory synchronization, and sales reporting. 6. Travel and transportation. Travel and transportation services like airline companies, hotel booking platforms, and ride-sharing apps offer APIs that facilitate travel-related functionalities. These APIs provide access to flight information, hotel availability, booking services, and transportation options, allowing developers to build travel-related applications and services. 7. Financial services. Financial institutions, including banks, stock exchanges, and fintech companies, provide APIs to enable secure access to financial data, account information, transaction history, and payment services. These APIs support the development of banking apps, investment platforms, and financial management tools. 8. IoT, Internet of Things. IoT platforms and device manufacturers offer APIs that allow developers to interact with IoT devices, collect sensor data, and control connected devices. These APIs enable the development of smart home applications, industrial automation solutions, and IoT-based services. These examples represent just a fraction of the vast range of industries and applications where APIs are utilized. APIs play a crucial role in connecting systems, integrating services, and enabling collaboration among different platforms, ultimately driving innovation and enhancing user experiences.